Mind you, when I opened this had a glass inside just in case. Now there's a bunch of glass in there. Yeah, I'm still pissed off about it. I'm surprised they didn't open the trunk. This was already broken just in case. Now, just in case if I forget anything. They tried to steal my vehicle, right? So I had a pocket knife right here just in case. I had two, the other one I have it. But this one, just to not get my fingerprints that much, this I did not know was there until I just found out. They tried to use that over here. For some reason, it's like they found, I don't even know. Now this part, I was like, what the heck is this at first? It's probably from there, really don't know. But it just gives me curiosity, like they just threw everything in there. My information, you name it. That door, majority of the times, I'm surprised they didn't open this door. They never opened this door, right? But the fact that they just opened those 3 doors and not this one, because I'm like, in order for you to do this around this neighborhood, nah. Something is up here. This I never put that there. My information. That I don't even know what the heck is that. It's a flying, oh, it's a spider. None of this was in there. This was over here. I know because this was all clean. But my information though. Oh shoot. Surprise. They didn't take none of that. The rest they threw it all on the floor. Oh, honestly, man. This is so, I would say, like, man, I got manners when it comes to words. So I'm keeping that. That's mine. That, I don't even want to talk about it. I'm surprised they didn't even open the trunk or anything. It's just whatever happened, broke the window, opened here, then probably went in there, and then unlock all these. Try to take it, didn't even take it, don't even know why. This video has to pay me at least $100. Don't expect it to go viral or anything. And the fact that the vehicle's rejected. Oh shoot. Wait, hold up. The vehicle's rejected. You did not steal my floss. Oh shoot. He didn't steal. Oh, this is old, but he didn't steal my badge or anything. Man. From reacting to vehicles of getting stolen, mine's next. Yeah. Oh shit, I gotta blur that out. That was already there. There's a scratch. This was already here. This was already here. It's just the fact that they didn't try to open this door for some reason. I don't know why. All these are unlocked, but me just knowing myself in my vehicle, they want to do that fast. Now you understand, I went hungry for this vehicle. I don't mind losing the vehicle. I don't even feel safe in here. Didn't even feel safe for shit. Ah, it's probably a little bit. Yeah. But just in case. Just in case if you guys see this video, God bless every single one of y'all. Can't say much. I'll make the money back. This I'm keeping it. This I'm definitely keeping. I need this. Oh shit. I'm never gonna make this video like 10 minutes, just probably right here and there. What the heck? But yeah. I'm just gonna wait for 1 more hour. If they don't come, then I'm just gonna get my stuff done because I actually gotta go. Nothing on the ordinary. But anyways, God bless every single one of y'all, and I am out.